So now we're gonna continue playing with Bullet Force, and let's check out. So I am in the blue team, or let me check out. Okay, I was playing the tanks game. Okay, chill out. So I need to relax a little bit before. So let me see. Okay, now I'm gonna get into it. Okay. I'm just gonna chill out a little bit here, man. Okay, so let me check out. So this is different from the tanks game, so I can waste my bullets here. Yeah, I can waste my bullets, and that's the first thing I'm doing. So let me see. Okay, so the red ones. Okay. Oh man, I can hear the Russians over there. And okay, this is the blue one, and with the red one. So if let me just go for it. And I am in team alpha, and yeah, that's cool. Hey, chill out, man. Jesus, these dudes. Okay, chill out. Okay. I can hear the shots. Okay, chill out. What the hell? Okay, yeah, I'm kinda getting a little bit confused, so I don't wanna bet. Come on, man. As soon as I get there, and they kill me on the spot, so. Oh, come on, you got to be kidding me. Okay, man, this time. Let me see, man, where are you? Okay, so I'm down, eh? Check out, so okay, so whatever happened. So I am in the blue team, so I wonder what happens if I start shooting I would kill them if I start shooting, or nothing will happen to those dudes. Okay, whatever. So I am in the sand right now, so desert. So let me check out. I'm just gonna go here. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna wait for these dudes to oh man, okay, so now come on, man. Yeah, I suck at this game, but whatever. So let's keep giving it a try. So let's see. Hey, chill out, relax. Haha, I got you. Okay, what the hell? Come on, man. Man, he got me, man. This okay. Somebody killed him. See, I wanna check out. Okay, so and this one, they killed me twice. So man, that sucks. Eh? Man, you don't know how to play this game, man. I cannot be dying a bunch of times. That sucks. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna go here and throw grenades. Okay, so throw grenades, you pretty much press G if you're on a laptop like me. So I'm pretty much pressing the space keyboard to jump. So let me see. Okay, so okay, I can. Come on, man. I got you, my man, I got you. And now I'm gonna. Oh man, no. I think it was with D. Let me see. Oh no. That's what I'm talking about. Man, just no. Come on. Well, I don't think. Oh man. Oh, sold. Okay, that's cool. So I took some dudes with me. Let me see how many dudes I killed. So okay, so okay, I killed 3. That's cool. Yeah, I'm starting to get a hang of this stuff. So I'm just gonna. I was worrying too much. I think when I shoot the blue ones, nothing happened to my team. So I was worrying too much about, I don't know, friendly fire. So now I'm just gonna start shooting like a happy tree or so. Let's get a nice try. Let me see if I can. Damn it. I think I can do like a sniper from here. The Russians are over there. Okay, they're over there. Let me see. I cannot see them. They chill out. Oh man! As soon as I was gonna shoot, I was gonna. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I yeah, grenade. Okay, so let me see how I'm doing so far. Let me see, let me double check real quick. Okay, 7 kills. That okay, so yeah, I don't suck. Yeah, I'm gonna get. Whoa, man. Oh, so you wanna play this? Damn it. Okay, man, those. Let me see. Now I know what I'm gonna do now. Let me see. Ah man, that's okay. So that's their strategy. They're just throwing grenades at me. So I need to change my strategy as well. So I'm gonna go towards the left flank. Oh come on, man, that really suck. Okay, so let me see where they're gonna send us now.